government was very keen about the safety and health conditions of the people. That's why we immediately introduced vaccination program, improved the people's confidence. And parallel to that, we introduced what's called the biobubble concept. Then that biobubble helped us to attract more tourists to the country.
I think one of the things that Thailand's done really well during the pandemic was the establishment of the Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration. That was the command center to give coherent communication within government agencies. Therefore, we can have effective collaboration between government agencies, so that helps with the deployment of strategies and guidelines.
I would like to share our experience on electronic platform which was created by a State Tourism Agency. It's called Tourism Information System. It's basically formulated of three main components. The first is registration, classification and assessment, which includes online monitoring of industry stakeholders. The second part is data warehouse. As Sandra from UNWTO mentioned, we invested in statistics and data was crucial for us to follow up the industry. Short is we offer electronic services which is available through online. You don't have to come to any office. In that sense, it's a safe and secure method, I would say, to deal with the industry.
During the pandemic, the Fijian government tried to emphasize and make strong decisions on vaccination and lockdown to protect its people during the COVID period and decrease the total number of COVID patients. We had specific red zone areas that were locked down, so there was no entry and exit.
我觉得中国在疫情期间做得好的，我觉得有主要两个方面。第一个方面呢，就是对我们旅游企业的这种扶持的力度很大，比如说暂退旅行社的质保金，暂缓交社保，发放文旅消费券，同时还给我们这种培训的补贴，鼓励我们对外这个营销宣传，给我们旅游企业有很大的信心，帮助旅游企业渡过难关。第二个呢，科技的防疫也推动了旅游向这个智能化、科技化、数字化发展，移动支付、线上购票、实名购票，让游客能感觉到非常便捷、很安全。那么另外也打造了一些这种智慧化的、数字化的一些产品，比如说 VR、光影产品等等，增加了这个旅游的这种业态。
Use of innovative technologies and facilitate tourists using data and also data collection and indicator design and support data-driven decision-making process. That's very important.
A lot of countries show today that they are really into the cultural tourism, and that's one of Thailand's key tourism as well. And I think we can learn a lot from building stories and having all these building restore and to attract more quality tourists into the nation.
What I learned the most was considering the collaborative project regarding Asian and Pacific countries. You are very good at cooperating and collaborating in sense, especially border tourism projects.
The one thing that our developing nation has learned is build back better. After reading all the cases and everything the Fijian economy has encountered, it's better to involve your community more rather than focusing back on the businesses. So we have currently targeted elements and contributed factors to environmental, cultural, community engagements and not using financial matters to attract tourism into our country, because Fiji is known as a multicultural country.
许多国家提到的，就是要由这种数量向质量转变，要关注游客的这种体验度、产品的品质，这一块也是值得我们去学习的。那么另外一方面呢，就是对于环境的保护、包容性的发展、人与自然和谐的相处，这一块也是我们在今后乡村旅游发展中要去借鉴的。在发展旅游的同时，也要保护好我们的这些动植物生态环境。